Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and many of you are going to be happy that I'm not going to use the six-sided polygon today. I'm going to use a triangle. And so what we're going to do is draw a circle, hit P, put it in the center of the page. Take it back, I am going to use a six-sided polygon, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Because you could not center a three-sided one or a five-sided one. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and grow it a little bit. Now I'm going to convert it to three sides, and that's in the middle. And see where Corel thinks the middle is that X. I'm going to go up to Object and convert it to a curve. And then I can grab the Shape tool. I'm actually going to delete these middle nodes. We don't need them. Then I'm going to grab all these other three nodes. Go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And 0.3 will work. We might be a little bit too little, but it'll work. I'll tell you what, I'm going to hold down the Shift key and make our circle a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to take a 3-point line. And really you could go anywhere from there, but I'm going to go from the node outwardly. And then holding down the control button, you'll get an arch. Control D and make a duplicate of that arch. Double click on your rotation and put it to the center of your triangle. And that happens when you do not hit that X. Now we're going to rotate 120 degrees. Control D, 240 degrees. And we didn't have to do that. I just kind of do it. I'm going to bring in the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to Smart Fill that. And I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to get the Interactive Fill tool and I'm going to draw it. And I'm going to put a little black on the tail end of it to make it look like it's going underneath. And I'm actually going to add some other blue to really kind of add that to that blue and make that really kind of pop out at the end with that black. See what it does? Now I can actually, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 8. And I'm going to nudge that out of the way and delete all this. I'm not going to delete it. Might want to play with it later. Control D and make a duplicate of that. And because now all of them are going to be the same, and this would be a good example for the clone tool. And when you don't hit that X is when you get that shape tool. I'm not doing what I'm telling you to do. Now, I don't know if I made a duplicate, but I did. So Control D, 120 degrees, 240 degrees. And that looks pretty good, taking away the indexing lines. It actually looks like that these are going underneath the design. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.